Next one, how will you convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction? How will you convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction? I think you must know you must be knowing what is mixed fraction. It is 2, 1 by 2. This is mixed fraction. How will you convert this mixed fraction into improper? See, 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. This is 5 by 2. See, now I'll just explain it in a simpler way. See, now what is it? 2 into 2. Now, so 2 into 2. 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. 1 and 2 here. So 2 parts. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 2. Same way, 3, 1 by 2. Now how will you do it this into improper? 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 2. Now how will you do 4, 1 by 2? 4, 1 by 2. 4 into 2. 4 into 2 plus 1 by 2. What is 4 into 2? 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So it is 9 by 2. Now how will you convert mixed fraction into improper fraction is? Now what you have to do is 2 into 2. This 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. For the same 3 and a half is 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2 is 7 by 2. For 4 and a half is 4 into 2 plus 1 by 2 is 9 by 2. This is how you will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. See, I think you have understood how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. See, again I will repeat. See, for 4 and a half, what you have to do is 4 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 4 into 2 plus 1 by 2 is 9 by 2. This is how you will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Next one is convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Next one is convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. See, 7 by 4. Now how will you do 7 by 4? Now what you have to do is 4, 7. Now 4 ones are 4. Then what is the remaining? 3. So how will you write this? 1, 3 by 4. So that is 1 into 4 plus 3 by 4. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 by 4. So this is how you will write into mixed fraction. The improper fraction will be converted into mixed fraction. See the next one, try this. Change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now what is it? Mixed into improper. 3, 3 by 4. Now how will you do this 3, 3 by 4? 3 into 4 plus 3 by 4. Now what is it? 3 into 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 15 by 4. Now next one is, it is 2, 5 by 7. It is 2, 5 by 7. Now how will you do it? 2 into 7 plus 5 by 7. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. So it is 19 by 7. So how do you convert mixed into improper is 3 into 4 plus 3 by 4. That is 15 by 4. 2, 5 by 7 is 2 into 7 plus 5 by 7. 19 by 7. Now next sum is you are doing improper fraction into mixed fraction. Improper to mixed. The next sum is improper to mixed. 16 by 3. Now how will you do this? 16 by 3. Now what you have to do? Divide 3 with 16. So 3 5s are 15. So you will have 1. So you will have 5 1 by 3. 5 1 by 3 is the answer. Now next sum is 13 by 5. Now how will you do this 13 by 5? 5 with 13. No, 5 2s are 10. So you will have remainder is 3. Now how will you do? 2 3 by 5. 2 3 by 5. So this is the answer. Now what did you do? Convert the improper fraction into mixed. How did you do improper into mixed? Just by the division method. You divide 3 with 16. So you are getting 5 1 by 3. For 13 by 5 it is 2 3 by 5. This is how we are converting mixed into improper and improper into mixed. See, before starting with the next fraction, let me tell you a small story. See, there were two children, Mano and Meena. Mano and Meena. Both of them had 500 rupees each. They had 500 rupees each as a pocket money. And Manu and Meena wanted to gift their mother for the Mother's Day. So what did Manu did is, he bought a sari for rupees 250. He bought a sari for rupees 250. Whereas Meena, what she did is, for 125 rupees, she bought a handbag and bangles for rupees 125. Again, I'll repeat. Mano brought sari for rupees 250 and Meena brought handbag for rupees 125 and bangles for rupees 125. That is, Mano is half. That is half. That means half of 500. It is 1 by 2. Whereas Meena 125, 125. This is 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 of 500. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is what? 2 by 4. So it is equivalent to 1 by 2. It is equivalent to 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4. So this is what we call it as equivalent fraction. This is what we call it as equivalent fraction. See, next one is a small activity. Take a rectangular sheet of paper measuring 6 centimeter into 3 centimeter and represent the fraction 2 by 3. Next one, fold it exactly into 2 halves. Fold it exactly into 2 halves and unfold as shown in the picture. Fold it exactly into 2 halves and unfold as shown in the picture. Next one, in another sheet of paper, do the same activity as given above. For representing 2 by 3 and fold it into 3 equal parts and then unfold as done before. And then unfold as done before. These are all called as equivalent fractions. These are all called equivalent fractions. Now what is equivalent fractions? You divide the numerator, you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So what is equivalent fractions? Multiply the numerator and the denominator of the same number. To find an equivalent fraction, now what you have to do? You have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by the same number. Multiply the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by the same number. See, the next sum is find 5 equivalent fractions. Find 5 equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions for 1 by 5. Now how will you do this 1 by 5? 1 by 5 into 2 by 2, 1 by 5 into 3 by 3, 1 by 5 into 4 by 4, 1 by 5 into 5 by 5, 1 by 5 into 6 by 6. Now what is 1? 2 by 10, 3 by 15, 4 by 20, 5 by 25, 6 by 30. Now this is how you will do the equivalent fractions for 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 2 by 2, 1 by 5 into 3 by 3, 1 by 5 into 4 by 4, 1 by 5 into 5 by 5, 1 by 5 into 6 by 6, 2 by 10, 3 by 15, 4 by 20, 5 by 25 and 6 by 30. See how will you write 1 by 5? For 1 by 5 how will you write 5 equivalent fractions? 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by 10 equivalent to 3 by 15, then equivalent to 4 by 20, equivalent to 5 by 25, then equivalent to 6 by 30. So this is how you will do the sum. Same way you can do the next two sums as your homework. See the next one is changing the fraction into lower terms. Changing the fractions into lower terms. Four by 10, 6 by 15, 8 by 20. Now how will you do this? Change the fraction into lower terms. See, both are multiples of 2. See, 2, this is 5. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Here you can take multiples of 3. So 2 3s are 6. Here 3 5s are 15. So 2 by 5. Here you can take multiples of 4. Now 2 4s are 8. And here 4 5s are 20. So 2 by 5. So this is how you do the changing the fractions into lower terms. See for 4 by 10, the multiples of 2 and 5 here, and here for this multiples of 3, and for 8 by 20 it is multiples of 4, that is 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. So you have taken 2 by 5 here, 2 by 5 and 2 by 5. So this is how you change the fractions into lower terms. So the next one we will go on to like and unlike fractions. Like and unlike fractions. See for this, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here same 3, 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now what is like fraction is, see here 2 by 5, 3 by 5. 4 by 5. See what is like fraction is, the denominators will be the same. See the next one we will go on with unlike fractions. So 3 by 6. So here what is like fraction and unlike fraction is, see the denominator will be the same in like fraction. In unlike fraction the denominators will be different. This is what you call it as unlike fractions. See like fraction is the denominators will be the same. The denominators will be different. This is what you call it as like fraction and unlike fractions. See, next one is group the given fractions into three groups of like fraction and unlike fraction. One group of unlike fractions. See, 1 by 9, 7 by 9, 5 by 12, 7 by 15, 7 by 12, 8 by 15, 5 by 9, 8 by 9, 4 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 15, 8 by 17, 9 by 19, 7 by 8 and 2 by 5. Now what you have to do is, you have to divide into three groups of like fraction and one group of unlike fraction. Three groups of like fraction and one group of unlike fraction. Now what you have to do, 1 by 9, 7 by 9, 5 by 9, 8 by 9. So this is one fact, this is one group. Then another group is 5 by 12, 7 by 12, 1 by 12. So this you have did in one group. Then another group is 7 by 15, 8 by 15, 4 by 15 and 1 by 15. So you have made three groups of like fraction. Now in unlike fraction, now what you have to do is, here I have done all 5 by 12, 7 by 15. Next one is 8 by 17, 9 by 19, 7 by 8 and 2 by 5. So this is what the unlike fraction. Like and unlike fraction. So you have to make three groups of like fraction and one group of unlike fraction. See, the next one we'll go on to comparing like fraction. Comparing like fraction. Three by 7 and 5 by 7. See here 3 by 7 and here it is 5 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now tell me, just compare. Here this is 3 by 7 and here it is 5 by 7. Now just tell me or compare which one is greater or which is lesser. See, this 3 by 7 is lesser than this 5 by 7. That means 5 by 7 is greater because out of 7 parts 5 is shaded, and here out of 7 parts here 3 parts only is shaded. So 3 by 7 is lesser than 5 by 7. See, with this I'll tell you one more sum. I'll just teach you one more sum. 4 by 5 and 3 by 5. Here 4 by 5 and 3 by 5. Now you tell me which is lesser here. 3, because out of 5 parts only 3 parts are shaded and out of 5 parts 4 parts are shaded. So 3 by 5 is lesser than 4 by 5. Now next one more sum I'll tell you. 11 by 20, 11 by 5 and 11 by 20 and 13 by 20. See here, now tell me. See here in 11 by 20 and 13 by 20, the denominator is the same. But here the shaded part is 11. Here 11 parts only is shaded and here 13 parts are shaded. So it means 11 by 20 is lesser than 13 by 20. Now again I'll tell you what it is see the denominator is the same. Means 20 parts is divided. Now whereas here 11 parts are shaded here and 13 parts are shaded here. So 11 is lesser than 13 by 20. So this is how you will compare the like fractions. See the next one, arranging the fractions into ascending order. Arranging the fraction into ascending order. 2 by 11, 4 by 11, 3 by 11, 7 by 11. Now how will you write it in ascending order? See the denominators are the same here, where only the numerators are different. So now how will you write 2 by 11, 3 by 11, 4 by 11, next is 7 by 11. So this is how you write the fractions into ascending order. Now next one is arranging the fractions into descending order. 4 by 9, 6 by 9, 3 by 9, 5 by 9, 8 by 9. So here the same thing. The denominators are the same, but only the numerators are different. Now how will you write in descending order? From big to small. There is an ascending, small to big. Now how will you write here? 8 by 9. Next is 6 by 9. Next is 5 by 9. Next is 4 by 9. Next is 3 by 9. So again I will tell you, ascending means from small to big. In descending it is big to small. So this is how you will do the fractions into ascending order and descending order. See the next one, we will go on with sums given in practice time. See the first sum is write in ascending order and descending order. Write in ascending order and descending order. This is the first sum given in your book. Ascending order and descending order. See 2 by 8, 7 by 8, 6 by 8 and 1 by 8. So this is the sum given. 2 by 8, 7 by 8, 6 by 8 and 1 by 8. Now how will you write in ascending order? It is 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 6 by 8 and 7 by 8. Now how will you write in descending order? 7 by 8, 6 by 8, 2 by 8 and 1 by 8. So ascending is from small to big and descending is from big to small. Now next sum 9 by 7, 7 by 7, 6 by 7 and 1 by 7. Now how will you write in ascending order? 1 by 7. So this is of A sum, this is B sum. See in B sum 1 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7 and 9 by 7. Now next one here in descending order it is 9 by 7, 7 by 7, 6 by 7 and 1 by 7. Now next sum it is 13 by 12, 5 by 12, 7 by 12, 11 by 12 and 10 by 12. So now how will you write in ascending order? 5 by 12. Next is 7 by 12. Next is 10 by 12. Next is 11 by 12. Next is 13 by 12. Now how will you write in descending order? 13 by 12, 11 by 12, 10 by 12, 7 by 12 and 5 by 12. So this is how you do the fractions in ascending order and descending order. See the next sum is Lata painted 3 by 8 part of the wall in a room. So now what is the second sum is Lata painted 3 by 8 part in a room. 3 by 8 part in a room. And Sudhakar painted 5 by 8. Now what is the question is, who painted more? So this is Lata. Lata painted 3 by 8 and Sudhakar painted 5 by 8. So who painted more here? It is 5 by 8. 5 by, because the denominator is the same but the numerator is more. So 5. So 5 by 8 is more. So it is Sudhakar painted more. Sudhakar painted more with 5 by 8. So the next sum is Vani wanted to take her two daughters to a book exhibition. So what did she do? She wanted to visit the bookstall. So Kartika, how much time she took? She took 1 by 4 hours to visit the bookstall. 1 by 4 hours of the bookstall. And the other person was Meghala. Meghala, she took 3 by 4 hours to visit the bookstall. Now what is the question in this is, find who takes more time here. So who takes more time here? It is Meghala. Meghala takes 3 by 4 hours of time. So Meghala, 3 by 4 hours is a more time than 1 by 4. So the answer is Meghala takes more time to visit the bookstall.